As promised, joining us now, Sierra-at-Tahoe Operations Manager Bryan Hickman. And Bryan, I'm looking at you right now. Rob says it was still snowing up in the mountains, and I think what's going on behind you proves that to be true. What's going on up there right now, and where are you?
I'm actually sitting in a snowcat right outside of our main lodge. We've got other snowcats going by us, and it is absolutely still snowing up here. It's coming down real hard. We've had crews camping out on the mountain now for 3 nights. Tonight will be our 4th night. Just because travel up and down the road has been so nasty that we'd rather camp out and just keep up with the storm. We've had some really windy nights. Backed off a little bit on the wind, but it's still definitely coming down right now.
All right, compare this, what we've had these last couple nights, to previous storms you've seen up there on the mountain. You've been up there a while, you know the history. How does this compare?
This one's been intense. It's been a longer period of time than normal and much stronger winds for that whole period of time. You know, we're used to seeing those gusts of wind, 100 miles per hour, but we've had sustained winds pretty close to that overnight the last couple nights. And that's caused for real whiteout conditions. We recorded 116 mile per hour gusts at the top of one of our lifts last night. And it's just the length of the storm. We're usually used to these Sierra storms that can be pretty heavy, but for it to go on this long and this intense is something else.
Oh, we talked to Caltrans earlier. They're saying that 80 is going to be open tomorrow sometime. What's the situation for your resort? When is that going to be open for skiers?
We have one more day at least of digging out. You know, the Caltrans have done a great job over here on the Highway 50 side. It's remained open most of the time. They've closed several times for avalanche control and spin out. But Highway 50 has remained open. We're still digging out our road. And then once these winds and snow die down a little bit more tonight, we've got a lot of digging ahead of us. So we have a full day of digging out tomorrow. We'll have crews up here with snowcats digging out lifts and lodges in the parking lot. Hopefully we'll get skiers back on the hill day after tomorrow.
All right, let's talk about the skiers getting back up on the hill. I've been talking to them all week long. They are beyond excited about going out that first moment, untracked snow. They say it's a rush like no other. Talk to us as a skier, because you know how that feels.
Oh, absolutely. This is what we all love. This is why we do it. These wide open powder days. We got one more day of digging out, but we should have the goods, and it looks like we'll have a little bit of snow in the forecast all week, so free refills all week.
All right. Hey, Bryan, I want to thank you. That's a fantastic shot for us. I love the snow in the background. Thank you much for joining us. Have a great week.
My pleasure. Have a good night.